Hey guys, it's Cooking with Sab. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a grilled burrito, a soft burrito, and a burrito bowl. Could I say burrito anymore? For the ingredients, you'll need a can of black bean, a can of corn, an onion, a cup of shredded chicken breast, romaine lettuce, a handful of cilantro, tomato, and a jalapeno. First, we're going to chop our onion. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grill my onion. I'm putting in about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to grill my onion for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium-high heat. Meanwhile, the onions are cooking, we're going to cut up the rest of our vegetables. And after 15 minutes, look at how good these onions look. They're nice and caramelized. Now I'm going to add in the shredded chicken. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and add my black beans. Now I put in some salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and a little bit of water. I'm going to let that cook on the stove for about 15 minutes, and I'm going to cover the lid. This is what it should look like after 15 minutes. I then like to add my corn in. I like it cold, I like the crunch it gives, but if you like it cooked, you can go ahead and add it to the step prior to this. Then we're going to transfer it to a bowl so it's easier to work with. Now get your tortilla and brown it on both sides. Once you've browned the tortilla, we're going to go ahead and add some sour cream, tapatio, shredded mozzarella, the mixture, jalapeno, tomatoes, the cilantro, and the romaine lettuce. And then we're going to fold it over. And this is the soft part of the burrito. You can serve this as is, but I like to take the extra step and put a little bit of oil on my pan and heat up both sides for about 5 minutes until it starts to brown. And this will give the effect that it's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, and this is so good. And guys, you can totally make a salad burrito bowl if you have the mixture left over. Add some lettuce, add veggies of your choice, and keep this for work, for an outing. And it's such a healthy alternative if you do not want the tortilla. Thank you so much for watching how I make my burritos. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Have a wonderful day. Bye!